Serengeti Flyer is now officially open at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, adding yet another thrill ride to the popular Florida theme park. The new Serengeti Flyer is an S&S Screamin Swing ride. It's a twin of Tidal Surge that opened at sister park SeaWorld San Antonio. That means this is another big one, swinging riders up to 135 feet in the air at a top speed reaching 68 miles an hour. Want a preview of the Serengeti Flyer experience? Enjoy this POV with views of the Serengeti Plain provided by Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.